Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete your Golf Clash account. To delete your Golf Clash account, launch the Golf Clash app open on your mobile device. Now tap the gear button at the top left corner. Make sure that you're inside the Accounts tab from the Settings menu. Click on Manage right next to Secured Account and you will see a Delete Account pop up. Tap on Delete Account and then go ahead and type down the number presented on the next page in order to confirm that you'd like to delete the account. Just make sure to write down the number exactly as it appears and then click on delete. After you do that, it will take up to 7 days for data removal and to delete your account. So that's how you can easily and permanently delete your Golf Clash account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.